Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to get started on my cocktail series. I'm going to start off with whiskeys because that's my go-to drink of choice. I got a lot of good whiskey recipes to share with you utilizing rye and bourbons. Couple that go either direction depending on what your flavor of choice is. But tonight I am going to do what is called a horse's neck. It was originally done with brandy, but a lot of people have started doing it with bourbon now. I don't recommend a rye for this, definitely a bourbon. So that's what I'm gonna show you this evening. It's really refreshing. What you're gonna need, you need yourself a tall glass. Don't use your regular whiskey glass, get yourself a taller glass. You're gonna need a bourbon of choice. You're gonna need your Angostura Bitters and either a ginger ale or a ginger beer. You are going to need a lemon. Make sure you have a lemon, a whole lemon, because you're gonna use the whole peel of it if you wanna garnish. That's why it has its name, the horse's neck. And some ice, obviously, something to stir with, and a good sharp knife to use on your lemon. Again, it was originally done with brandy, so if you like brandy or have brandy on hand, go ahead and use brandy for it. I think this was made popular in like James Bond film. I believe Octopussy was the one where it really got its fame, but I could be wrong. I'm not going to go into the history of drinks. There's too much there, and yeah, it's just a waste of time if you ask me. I'm going to show you how to make the drink so you can end up with a nice refreshing beverage for the evening. Let's do this. Cheers, guys. Hey, well, thank you for watching. Enjoy your cocktail. Be sure to subscribe to Captain B's Grinds and Cocktails channel. Give us a thumbs up, share with all your friends, and have a great evening.